Hello everyone. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube recently and I stumbled upon an art challenge. And I guess I really wanted to try it, so let's go. In the video, she chose one reference photo and 3 YouTube artists, and then made 3 illustrations with each of their art styles. So the first artist I'm going to tackle down is SamDoesArt, or Sam Young. He's from Toronto, Canada. I guess that's what his Instagram says. So we're going to believe it. So let's analyze Sam's art. First of all, he really likes to draw young girls, like maybe in their teens or their mid-20s, and so we're taking that as inspiration. Then I can tell that his preferred theme is not fantasy but more like everyday life, but he does create a magical atmosphere with lighting and color. His colors are really pigmented, very saturated. Like, I tend to work with really muted colors, so I'm a little bit scared with that. Some spaces have a 1:3 proportion, so basically from the brow to the end of the nose we have the biggest portion, then we have one from the end of the nose to the chin, and lastly there is the forehead, and he maintains those proportions for all of his faces. Watch. And he really likes to draw like very expressive faces and dynamic poses, where the head is actually very big and the body very slim and petite. So let's start with the sketch. I'm actually using everything I analyzed before, and I'm really trying with the drawing. I mean, I don't draw like Sam, so I'm really giving it a try, and I'm suffering. You'll see. You'll see. Those eyes, I mean, they're going to be a problem. The whole video. Yes, clean those lines. So first, let's start with a base color, and then we're going to color block every section of the drawing. I know Sam only blocks the character section and then he just paints in 1 or 2 layers, but I can't do that yet, guys, so bear with me. So here I'm painting the face with a very basic shading, and I know here's the first mistake. I didn't lay my lights and my shadows first, and I usually do that first, but I don't know why I didn't do that here. I mean, I have a theory. I think I became so obsessed with getting the drawing and the painting to really resemble some style that I just stayed there the whole hour. So yeah, you're going to see me change facial features a lot. Here's where the battle for the eyes began, or the battle with the eyes. I'm really not sure. Oh, I forgot to mention this, but my reference really didn't have a smile. I incorporated that because I wanted to try to draw a smile in some style, because you know, smiles can be very awkward, but Sam really does them beautifully, so I wanted to learn that from him, how he simplifies the shapes of the smiles and teeth, and they actually look good. So you may have noticed by now that I'm using Sam's work as reference on the screen, and I really recommend doing that, because when you don't have a visual reference, it's very easy to just lose yourself and go towards your own art style, which is not helpful for this challenge. Just in this challenge, okay? Okay. with the basic shading kind of done, I'm going to incorporate the sunlight into the drawing. And this is going to really allow me to work on the whole room and body and the clothes. Yeah, and mend my mistake. As soon as I stop obsessing with the face. Also, how terrifying is for you to hear me speak? Come on, be honest. 9 of 10? 8 of 10? 9 of 10. It seems I'm finally ready to mend my mistakes and put some light into the hair. No, okay, no. We're back at the eyes again. Yeah. Finally, we're touching the background. Wow. I'm trying to insinuate some shapes for background. You know, a closet, a door, and the back of a chair. But I don't want them to have too much detail because, you know, that's not our focal point. And yeah, sometimes just blurs backgrounds. So that's what I'm doing for this portrait. Now that we have our lights and our shadows, we can put some color on the lips and other places that might have lost color in the process, you know, like the hair, jacket. Can you guess the fabric of this jacket? Because I really want to know where's my level for textures. Time for correcting those shadows and bring some light back. I think with the hair was the only time I used other brushes, just for texture, I guess. But yeah, I've made almost all of the painting with the round brush and the airbrush. I don't know, maybe that would help. So Sam's hair is something I have no idea on how to tackle. I've seen him in his videos painted, but I really don't have any idea. I think painting hair is very unique to each person, but I'm trying here to paint it in shapes first, like light, shadow, and the shapes of the light, how the light would hit the hair, and then trying to make it less stiff, more like a cotton ball. I don't know, something like that. And I didn't forget the glasses, people, okay? It's just that they are so hard to do that I just like left them for the last step. Hey, it's not looking that bad. I mean, I kind of like it. It's not my style, but I think I like it. And it has a resemblance with Sam's style. I think, I don't know, I will let you be the judge of that. Now on to correcting those teeth. I really hope we achieve the smile that Sam does. Some last details over here. And there we have it, guys. Our first challenge is completed. So tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Go to Sam's page, show him a lot of love, and send him my video so he will react or at least see it. Yay! And of course, if you like my content, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you want more videos like this one, I mean the other two challenges, you know, about Ethan and Ross, like and subscribe, because you know how YouTube works. Come on! Bye!